Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Saab for giving a detailed reply to the demand made by me. Sir, I thank you very much, sir. Sir, as far as MIM party's demand, once again I would like to say, sir, this Samagra Kutumba survey abstract, the way it is, I was expecting the report to be in that same way. And I would have been more happy and satisfied if the government would have come or my learned minister Saab would have said, okay, yes, we will table the report. We are just waiting for the details of KCR Saab, KTR Saab, Harish Rao Saab and others. The moment we receive the details, we will table it. So sir, मैं यही बोलूँगा आपसे कि report is a necessary, sir. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म में तो आना चाहिए सर रिपोर्ट. आप छोटा कर दीजिए, 100 पेजेस में कर दीजिए, करके रिपोर्ट दीजिए. कैबिनेट सब कमेटी भी रिपोर्ट को स्टडी करी. देन दैट कैबिनेट कमेटी हैज गिवन दैट रिपोर्ट एंड इट वाज डिस्कस्ड इन द कैबिनेट एंड ऑल दैट कुड बी टेबल्ड एंड सर the state will appreciate this. Okay, yes, these people are very sincere, they are committed, they are going to share, and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Saab, or okay, he has replied and he said that they will table the report, sir. Sir, I also would like to say that, sir, कि हमारे Minister Saab बोले 10 वॉल्यूम में है, 20 वॉल्यूम, 4 वॉल्यूम, क्या की बोले सर, पेन ड्राइव में दे दो साहब, हम निकाल लेते हैं.
Clarification, sir. Sir, this is a statement which we are laying before the House. You know, we have never mentioned that we will be putting a report on the floor of the House. On the statement, sir, when you directed us that you will be inviting for a small debate because this is a important subject. Sir, this is the basic objective what the report has recommended. सर छोड़ो सब, वो वही गलत हो जाता ना. नहीं साहब, हम गलत हो जाएंगे. आप सर definitely we would like to request Akbar Owaisi Saab to give the possible and positive response to the statement.
Thank you. I thank the Honorable Minister for Legislative Affairs also, sir, for replying. Sir, only reason is that complete details I am saying, sir, is that we will get the district-wise detail as to where, how many SCs are there, STs are there, BCs are there. That is why I was just requesting, sir. And everything, all the subcast also will come in that. So that is the reason why I was mentioning that it will be helpful for everybody, sir. Sir, and also, sir, going further ahead, sir, I would not go into the details, sir. I'll just want to say that earlier initiating my speech, I had mentioned that BCs के साथ नाइंसाफी हुई और हर किसी ने नाइंसाफी की और कभी भी BCs को उनका हक नहीं दिया गया. सर, मैं जब कह रहा हूं तो शायद लोग इस बात को नहीं मानेंगे, but sir, I have the details of BC Welfare Department budget, sir, from the year 2014 and 15 to the year 22-23, sir. तो ये मेरे पास 8 साल का डेटा है, सर. और 8 साल के डेटा में, सर, तेलंगाना BC कोऑपरेटिव फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना मोस्ट बैकवर्ड डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना वॉशरमैन कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ धोबी घाट्स, तेलंगाना नई ब्राह्मण कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, तेलंगाना तौरी टैपर्स कोऑपरेटिव फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना वेदेरा कॉप्स सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, तेलंगाना सगरा उपरा कॉप फेडरेशन, सर, तेलंगाना वाल्मीकि, सर, तेलंगाना किशन बलीजा पोशाला कॉप, सर, and Telangana